Ever wonder how robots learn to move with such precision? Like how a robotic arm can assemble a car or even chop vegetables without a hitch. It's not magic, it's science. Today, we're unpacking a breakthrough that's revolutionizing how robots learn, diffusion policies, and a new method called RAGDP that's making them blazingly fast. Let's start with the problem. Training robots to perform complex tasks traditionally feels like teaching a toddler to ride a bike by letting them crash repeatedly. It's inefficient, error-prone, and incredibly slow. Enter diffusion policies, a type of machine learning model that mimics how humans refine skills. Think of it as a robot's step-by-step tutorial. It starts with random, noisy actions and gradually peels away the chaos to reveal the perfect movement. But here's the catch. These models require hundreds of iterative steps to converge on a solution. While precise, this slowness limits their real-world use. So how do we speed this up? Meet RAGDP, Retrieve-Augmented Generation for diffusion policies. Imagine it as a robot's cheat sheet, but instead of scribbled notes, it's a library of expert demonstrations. Rather than starting from scratch, RAGDP pulls from past successful actions, drastically cutting down the time needed to learn. Here's the technical nitty-gritty. Before deployment, RAGDP builds a knowledge base of high-quality demonstrations. Think of it as a database of optimal movements. When faced with a new task, the robot doesn't guess. It queries this library, finding the closest match to the current scenario. Then it applies a noise removal process to refine that example, adapting it to the new context. This approach eliminates the need for retraining, leveraging existing data to accelerate decision-making. The results? Stunning. In tests, RAGDP outperformed traditional methods by a landslide. Even when tasks were accelerated 20x, it maintained 64% of its original accuracy, compared to a dismal 17% for alternatives. It's like comparing a sprinter to a marathoner. RAGDP doesn't just keep up, it dominates. What does this mean for the future? Picture robots in disaster zones, making split-second decisions to rescue survivors. Or self-driving cars that react instantly without sacrificing precision. RAGDP isn't just a tweak, it's a paradigm shift. It proves that AI can be both fast and reliable, unlocking applications we've only dreamed of. So next time you see a robot moving with grace, remember, it might be powered by a little cheat sheet called RAGDP. Thanks for watching. If you're as excited about AI's potential as I am, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and drop your favorite AI breakthrough in the comments. Stay curious, and we'll see you next time.